Hello, my friend. You ready? Oh, here. Let me open the window for you, my man. It is freaking hot. Woo! There you go, buddy. Alright, guys. So today is just gonna be a super chill day. I've decided, since we've started getting parts in for the RX8, this guy, been sitting there for the longest time untouched. I'm gonna see what the guys are up to at the garage, but yeah, I'm gonna try and render up what I envision for our RX8 project. It just makes the project so much easier if we actually have a set goal in mind. Sunny's dog is there, and the other day I was editing one of my videos and Shomai, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's literally that dim sum food, okay? He's named after that. He started whining on the screen, and right away Gohan tried looking for the dog behind the computer screen. So yeah, I felt bad. So today, more so, is play day for the dogs. Let's go to the garage. Where's your friend? Yo, what's up, homie? Yeah. See what these kids are up to. Whew. It was raining earlier. The thing about Calgary is you wait like 15-20 minutes and the sun will come out. But then another 20 minutes later, it rains and hails again. So here's progress on Larry's Altezza. He's been working on fitting his new kit as well as rear fender flares. But for the fender flares, he had to put in a lot of work. Basically, he had to extend this like 2-3 inches, but it looks good. Repping the Kmart license plate, available on the web store. So that's what he was doing all morning. And as for me, I pretty much dialed in the FRS. The engine's fine, she just needed to be driven. It's been like 2 months since I actually drove that thing on the streets. Yeah, just wanted to show you that the FRS is pretty much all put back together and she's looking minty. No mismatched bolts, all fully painted back to black, and the custom green acrylic end plates are on as well. And they turned out. Remember guys, this is a self DIY experiment with window tint film. Looks good. So for the rest of the evening, I think we're gonna render our vision for the RX8s. So I'll just bring you to Photoshop, which is my main weapon of choice when it comes to photo manipulation. I'm up all night, no sleep, release my stride, no way, hit it behind the back shots like BP. Yo, what's up guys? Today is a special day for Gohan because we are going to be taking him to his first ever car meet. So, so local car crew, Il Motion, is holding this car meet at Deerfoot City Mall and it has a fairly big parking lot, but should be a decent turnout. Let's go. Up. Please? Yes, sir. Alright, drive safe. Bruh, I almost neutraled into Eddie's car, but I pulled my brake. It's cause I'm too used to driving the Supra! Fair enough. Gohan, let's go, homie! Yo, this Q50 is our neighbor. Maybe he's going to the meet too. Oh, there's no AC in here, man. Oh, these guys came out of nowhere! Are you excited, bro? Panting like a dog should. The actual meet doesn't start until 7, so we're pretty early. But yeah, we'll go check out some of the cars. All right, homie Charles, you ready? Are you ready? Let's skate. Come on, you ready? Go. Gotta take a pee first. Let's go back. This way, this way. Thank you. This is too much. He's a handful. Right on.
That's what she's doing. She's looking at you.
You thirsty? It's ice cold water, Gohan. I'm using my phone because I left my camera in the car. So my goal with Gohan is just to get him super social and have him be interactive with random strangers. You get a free dunny. Ooh, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Oh, yeah, thank you. Dude, he smells it on you, man. Yeah. Thanks for these. You got treats, homie.
Check it out. Over there. You know you're so fluffy. Oh my god, you're so fluffy. No. Should be because his tongue is very bad. So smart. Going live right now. Oh, really? That bad? Say hi. Touch it.
Oh yeah. That'll look good. Because it's like subtle.
I met one of the supporters at the meet. You're an artist too, I take it?
No,
but
I do some airbrushing.
Yeah,
so.
oh, okay, that's you. Oh, what's your guys' Instagram?
Mine's Maggie Mark 6R, MK6R.
6R.
It's on the side of my
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
The little rabbit?
Mine's Paranoa.
Paranoa.
Parronnoah.
Appreciate the support, guys.
Ready?
How's it going, man?
Good, good.
Oh, there's a car coming, bro. Here, let's go this way. Alright, so we're at the car meet. Lost our friend. But we're gonna show you some of the cars that are here. And this guy's taking me for a walk. Dang, man. There are actually so many cars here. This is like a car show. He came to say hi. Big. Yeah, I know, right? Oh. Hey, how's it going, man? What's up, dude? Let's go! Woo! Come on, homie. Come on, Baba.
I'm going in.
It's natural.
Yeah.
Like a lion bear.
That's just my baby dog there.
Alright. Yo, a McLaren just arrived. This car meet is actually pretty nuts. This entire lot is basically filled with JDM and actually all kinds of cars. What's up, Crit?
What's up, bro? He doesn't recognize me anymore.
Because your face is on.
Oh shit, okay, Gohan!
So scared. Let's go for a little cruise. We'll just make the effort of going down every single individual aisle and showing you the cars. Fuck it. Eva took the dog, so now I got full range. What the? This PT Cruiser has Lambo doors? Oh, what? There's so many cars. Ooh, that's nice. You guys want to check out Sean's built Integra? He's been working on this for like half the year and it's finally out. What's cool about this is actually You got red wheels on this side. Come on this side, and they're blue. That's different. This is probably one of the nicest Integras. Nothing left untouched, and everything is an authentic part. Yeah, there he is. I'm okay.
He was looking for you. It's the cutest thing ever. He saw you go down on the skateboard. He was like, I'm like, it's okay.
Oh, you heard? What do you guys think of the car shows?
You see that McLaren over there?
The McLaren?
Yeah.
That's the most expensive in this lot. Yo, Jeffy, what up, dude?
Questions.
So it's called McLaren GT.
It's your dog walker.
Hey.
Good boy.
Hey. Look at the tail.
Did you see that new
Right.
off-white?
He's mad at me because I didn't take up her.
Not today, yeah.
I paused it for like 5 seconds.
Oh, she has a Goku sticker. That's awesome. Oh no! Oh, Gohan just met a dog named Zabuza.
Yeah, it's a little white dog.
Oh, what? Naruto dog. Oh, they're Asian. It makes sense. You got the blue one today, but yo, I'll hook you up.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Surikawa, ready to go home? Actually looks like people are starting to leave. I mean, it's starting to cool down, and right now it's super nice, but I think we're pretty good here too. Yeah, like I said, man, this is probably one of the bigger car meets this year yet, and it's probably because we needed one of these meets to happen. Like, we used to have one called Barlow, and I mean, I think it kind of still does on every Friday, every week. The venue is horrible, like still halogen bulbs, like super yellow. This one's just much nicer, lots of space. In there, it's not good at anywhere. Yeah, that's true. But like,
Oh, because someone's not in here.
yeah.
You need to fucking hammer. Like, oh.
We need a mallet. A rubber mallet.
You got me.
2-1, motherfucker. Oh shit!
Nice suit. 3 down. Almost there. It took us like 8 minutes, man. Good enough. Oh, and the food's here. What? Perfect timing. Yeah. You saved your... We were knocking like 8 minutes ago. We're like, was that it? I guess he just left it at the door. Yeah. That's it.
That's all you hear downstairs. Dum, 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 It's like,
oh, Gohan. It's food time. I got something for you, bro. Alright, so we didn't really get a chance to finish yesterday's video, but as you can see, we just spent all night building shelves. Starting to look like a library. And this is just us prepping for our upcoming drop, which is on the 16th of August. We plan on restocking on all of the merch that's on our website right now, so it's pretty much a full online restock. And we got all the colors of the rainbow: blue, white, teal, purple. There's yellow crop top hoodies for the women. Vertex Kings Mistraz collab shirts, which will be included in all of the Vertex steering wheel orders. Skateboard decks are gonna be restocked as well. And we got a whole bunch of those in. And dust masks, boxes of dust masks. These guys are the drifter hoodies, red, and of course your staple Kelly green hoodies. So that's what you guys can expect for the middle of August. And remember guys, these are full custom cut and sew KMR merch. So it explains why we've been waiting almost several months, but also because of the whole pandemic, and just delivery issues. It took a while for these to get here, but they're here. So mark your calendars, guys. August 16th, we are gonna be re-releasing everything online at exactly 1 p.m. PST. So that's West Coast time, Vancouver time. I think they actually have the same time as Cali as well. That's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to let you in before I ended the video. But as usual, if you wanna get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button tick, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next video.
This
Peace.
is the future. Evolution. This is the future.